Welcome to a little showcase video about Vega, a so-called visualization grammar. In this video I will show how Vega specification looks like, how the Vega online editor is used to compile it, and what Vega Lite is. You can see here the Vega homepage and can open the online editor here. A new empty specification file is opened. You can see one line, which is needed in every specification file, which defines the specification version. I will now paste in an example I've already prepared before. And we recognize that nothing gets rendered. This is due to the fact that we haven't defined a dataset now. I've already prepared a dataset, which I will now paste in. Now something gets rendered. But as we can see, the diagram is a little big, so let's start editing it to our needs. We can change the dimensions of our visualization here. This already looks much better. But now the axis labeling is a bit compressed, so let's fix that. We can look under the axis property and change the angle. Here we have the axis property, and let's change the angle from -45 to -90 degrees. And yeah, this is kind of what we want, but now the labels are standing into the axis. And to fix this issue, we define another property in the axis, which is called label align, and we gave it the value right. Yeah, this is what we want. So if we are satisfied with the form of our chart, we can export it in different formats. Let's choose, for instance, SVG. And we can see we have here the SVG. We could download it as an image or everything we want. A cool feature of the Vega Editor is also to collaborate in teams via GIST. One just has to sign in with one's GitHub account. I already have done this before, and then the GISTs can be loaded like so. You can see our second example was loaded successfully. To show a little comparison between Vega and Vega Lite, I will now load the same example from before, written in Vega Lite. And as we see, we get the diagram. But again, it's a little big, so I will adjust that too. So we see we have the same data. It looks a little bit different. This is because in Vega Lite we have many defaults which are already predefined, and we don't have to specify them explicitly, even if we could change them if we want to. And we see we have everything, all chart related here defined, and this is really not a lot. We just basically say it is a scatter plot and define what the axis labelings are, and that's basically it. So it is a lot less code. However, in the chart, if the chart would be more complex, this would not be so easy. I hope you enjoyed the showcase video. Thank you for your attention.